Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a bright and cute air dry clay flower which is super easy and fun to make. So let's begin. First of all, take a big piece of clay and roll it into a smooth ball. Now shape it into a thick cylinder. With the help of a tool, mark it into 5 equal parts, cut them and roll each part into a small ball. These will be your petals. Place all 5 petals in a circle so they touch each other. And now, with the help of a tool, make a little cut on top, just enough to give it a petal shape. Take a small piece of yellow clay, roll it and flatten it. Use a tool to make crisscross lines on it to give it a texture. Now place it right in the middle of your petals and press gently. And here it is, our cute and colorful air dry clay flower is ready. Let it dry for 24 hours, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative ideas. Allah Hafiz.